What is the one pan that every beginner cook should use? Hi, I'm Melissa Diane, and y'all, really the most versatile pan for a beginner cook is simply your 12-inch non-stick skillet, sometimes called your frying pan. And so today I'm going to share with you the reasons for that and how to take care of this skillet so it's going to last you a really long time, and some other things to consider. So first of all, as a beginner cook, you need something that you can cook a lot of dishes in, and the versatility of your 12-inch skillet really is going to give you that, because you can cook meals in here for 1 or 2 people very easily. And also you can cook meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now, what's great about this 12-inch non-stick skillet is just that it's non-stick. So if you're a new cook and you're a beginner, what's nice about this is it's fantastic for what I call sticky foods. Foods like eggs or pancakes or fish, they're just not going to stick to this because of the coating. This pan right here, this is from Green Pan, and this one happens to have a ceramic coating. It's my first skillet like this with a ceramic coating, and y'all, I just absolutely love this. And so I will put a link for this in the description below the video. Now, one of the things you want to be sure of if you're using a non-stick ceramic coated skillet is make sure you're using the right utensils. You don't want to use anything that's metal. So these are basically the items that I use right here. These are silicone. They're safe for up to, like, I think it's 400 or 500 degrees, and you're not going to be getting your skillet that hot anyway. And then this one right here, y'all, this is really cool, and I'll put links for all these things in the description. This is not just like a spatula, it's a fork. And I found this at Sur La Table, and I love it because for different things, you really can get a better grip on it. So if you don't have one of these, you need one. It's fantastic. And then sometimes, though, in a skillet, you do want to whisk. Again, don't use a metal whisk. This one is wonderful. This one is a silicone one. It's fantastic, and it protects that coating. Now for cleanup, y'all, these non-stick ceramic pans, these are fantastic and they're so easy to clean up. But there is one thing that you have to remember that's key, and that is when you're back here and you're cooking on your stovetop, once you get done and you take your food out, go ahead and take your skillet, take it off of the heat and let it sit there. Don't go and rush to your sink and then put cold water or any kind of water in this skillet. You want to wait till it completely cools down. So what I do is after I've cooked, I just set it to the back and let it completely cool off, or I might take it and put it somewhere else in the kitchen. I let it completely cool down to room temperature. Then a little bit later, I will go and I'll put this in the sink with some warm water, just a little bit of Dove soap, and then a soft, very super soft sponge that's not going to scratch anything. And y'all, everything, it just falls right off. It cleans so easily. But that is important if you want to extend the life of your ceramic nonstick pans. Now, when you're shopping for your 12-inch skillet, if you come across one that has a lid, that's fantastic. Get you a lid. If you already have some and you don't have a lid, or you find one and it doesn't come with a lid, then these are really cool. I found this one at Sur La Table. I'll leave a link for this one also for you. You can get this on Amazon. But this right here, this is called a universal lid. And this is a lid that will fit. It has grooves in here, so it will fit multiple sizes of skillets and saucepans, etc. if you don't have lids for them. If you want to know some other great pans and pots to use for a beginner cook, check out that next video that's popping up, and I go into all types of pots and pans. And if this has been helpful, y'all click that like button and subscribe so you know when new videos are coming out, and I'll see you on that video in a few minutes. Bye-bye.